in versions 2024 and 2025. Revit has given us the ability under View, go to Twinmotions and click on Twinmotion here. All right, and when the Twinmotion loads, I want to start a new project here, and I'll say OK. Okay, then we're going to get this direct link, and it's going to basically pull in everything from Revit. Okay, now that we have this in here, I'm going to put speed 6 here because I'm kind of far away from the building. And I'm going to start trying to fly quickly to the building. Whoa. I just want to get to the electrical room, which is on the 2nd floor. I think I'm almost there. All right, here we go. All right, slow it back down. Okay. What I want to do here is I want to add materials, so stuff looks really nice. And what I'm going to do is I want to use this car paint gray for the equipment, gives you a little bit of shine. All right, and for the metal, I'm going to use slightly worn chrome for the conduit. Okay. Zoom up a little bit here. I don't know if I actually hit that. Let's try that again. I don't know. There we go. All right. And for the walls, we'll make them white. Same with the columns. Go a little higher, make the beams all white. Okay. I don't know why this, oops. This conduit's sticking. Try this again. All right. First the aluminum. Going down. There we go. Get that cable tray. All right. I think we got it. Oh, okay, oops. This busway, I'm going to paint that gray. Okay. All right, I think we got it now. All right, looking good. All right, we can also, let's see, concrete. Nice concrete. Swept concrete. Let's try that one. Found that one. Okay. Sometimes you have to go to your scale, kind of pop it up a little bit. Look down at it. Yeah, it looks pretty good now. All right. This room is kind of cramped, so I'm gonna go into another room. Let's see. Let's go to this other room here. There's a little bit more room, so you can see kind of what everything looks like. Yeah. A couple other things to note is that I can change this from a drone mode to pedestrian mode, and of course then I don't know if you can hear that, I can actually hear myself walking, and of course I can't go through walls, I can't go through doors. That's a problem. You're trying to go from one room to the other. And also another thing too is I can turn off the boundary here and get a better sense. I'll turn off all the other commands and stuff like that so you can see the room a lot better. Yeah. this is pretty nice. And you can make a little video, or you can show this to your client. But it definitely gets the point across, especially if you're building your content out like we do, to make it look like the actual content that's or equipment that's being bought. So, but yeah. Until next time.